Creating a news video used to be a challenging task. It required a lot of resources and technical know-how, but times have changed. Thanks to the advances in artificial intelligence, producing a news segment has become much more simple. In today's video, we'll introduce you to Wondershare Virbo, an AI tool that helps in creating a news video from scratch. And don't worry if you're new to this, we'll go through each step so you can follow along easily. But before we start, remember to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. This way, you won't miss out on our practical and easy-to-follow videos. Now, let's start. The first step for an AI news YouTube channel is gathering your content. What type of news do you want to share? You can focus on global events, local stories, technology updates, or even sports and entertainment. It's important to choose topics that attract your target audience. Get your content from various sources and make sure that you have the right to use it. You can also use news aggregators that compile stories from around the world, but make sure your information is up to date and real to build trust. Once you have your selection, you're ready to move on. Now it's time to bring up the best AI lip sync app. It's Wondershare Virbo. Go to the official website of Wondershare Virbo using the link in the description below. You can click on this free download button to download Virbo and install it on your computer. There's also a web version to start your project anytime you want. Let's go with the Windows version for now. Click here. When you launch it, this is the first interface you'll see. Wondershare Virbo provides many free AI video anchors, and they are divided into different categories. But first, we need to select a template for our news video. Do you see this video template section? Click on it. There are a lot of pre-made templates waiting for you here. To select a suitable one, you can use this search bar. Let's type news in this bar. And there you have it. All these templates are designed specifically for news content, and they give your video a professional look. Just scroll down and select the one you want to use for your video. For now, we are going with this comprehensive service news broadcast template. Click on it. You can check how your video will look from this preview. If you want to go with this template, then click on this Create Video button here. We are done with the video template. Now, the next step is to choose your AI avatar, which will be the face of your news video. Click on this Avatar button, and you'll find multiple free AI news anchors in this section. Scroll down and choose the one you like. Let's go with Harper, the AI news anchor. Click on it. It will take a few seconds to load the preview of this avatar, then click on this OK button to select this avatar for your video. You can see that the anchor in the preview has been changed. Now, let's change the background of the video. Click on this background button. This section contains many backgrounds that are suitable for various scenarios. You can select a background from these categories. You can also import one from your computer by clicking on this Upload button. Let's click on this background. When you go back, you can see that the background has been replaced, and if you want to add another scene, you can click on this plus button and then select the template for your next scene. Next, you can also import media files if you want. Click on this Import button, and when a browser opens, select the file from your computer, then click Open. It will import the asset on the current scene. Then, you can click on the image and make different edits. You can change the layer of this image, size, direction, or crop the image if you want. You can also use it as a background and use the Smart Background Removal feature. There are also many other options here in this right panel. Feel free to add more scenes, change the backgrounds, or edit images videos to customize your news video. This is your chance to get creative and give your video a unique look. After you are done with this section, take your AI news scripts and copy them in this section. You can also use AI to improve this script further. Click on this AI script button. Now, let's copy and paste the news here. You can also set the tone of your script with just a single click. For example, if you click on Professional, then the script will automatically be optimized in a professional way. If you like it, then click on Apply, and if you don't like it, then click on Back.
Now, to choose your AI voice, click here.
Wondershare Virbo provides multiple voice options. First, choose the language you want to use and then select the gender of your voice. After that, click on OK. We are almost done, guys, but before you wrap up, do a final check from the preview section. You can also add background music or any other audio to enhance the video experience. Click on this background music section and select the one you like. You can also upload another audio if you want. Once you are satisfied, click on this preview button to check your video. If you are satisfied, click on the export button and get ready to impress your audience with an AI-generated news broadcast. After creating your AI-generated news video, the next step is sharing it with the world. As your video uploads on YouTube, you can give it a catchy title and a description. Fill your description with keywords to help viewers find your content. And don't forget to choose an eye-catching thumbnail that will stand out in search results and feeds. Once everything looks good, set your privacy settings, and then share your AI-generated news with everyone. That's it. We've shown you how to create and upload your AI-generated news video to YouTube. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep experimenting with Virbo and refining your content. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't hesitate to drop any questions or comments you have below. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.